feel good? Look at that smile. Okay.
Oh, it's great. I've always had fine hair and it's been thin, but it's decided it wants to really fall out, so it has been. Plus, I've had perms since I was 6 years old.
Oh.
I've never been without a perm, so I don't even know what this looks. Now I know. It's just
Stuck to your head and you don't like it.
Oh yeah, and this is the third day, and usually by the third day it has a little more body.
Has a little grip to it.
Yeah, a little, but there's not much there.
Okay, so what are you looking for? So you're thinning a little bit, you feel like your hair's flat, we don't like that. Tell me what you're wanting.
I don't know if I'd look better with bangs or not. For some reason, I'm thinking maybe again, because I've had them on and off. I'm just looking for something that I don't need it real long. And, you know, if I'm not wearing it, it doesn't really look like what happened to your hair.
You don't want a major difference. We have lots and lots of options.
I can tell. Look at all those beautiful, beautiful wigs. Okay.
We have wigs that are behind you, and we have toppers here.
Okay.
Wigs are a full replacement. Toppers are a base system that attach with these little clippies.
Yeah.
To give you a little bit of coverage and density. Imagine if we put a little bit of curl into it.
Yeah.
Gave it a little bit of lift. Your hair is about an inch longer in the back. We might have to go longer.
Okay. So this is an option now. I don't know.
Starting without bangs. And then in a couple months when you get bored, you can trim some bangs into it for a change.
Okay.
That's my suggestion.
All right.
If you're unsure about the bangs. Just give it a little bit extra. This is actually a really good color for you too. We like the topper to be about as long as your hair.
Okay.
So,
which is, yeah, and I'm good having it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
It's only like this because it was really damaged, so I had to.
Oh, you had to chop it.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is too much.
Too much?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go down a little bit. The layers, we can trim into any of them if you like the layery look.
Yeah, it's.
This one would be, you would notice if you were wearing it or you weren't wearing it, and that's one thing you said you wanted. So we'll try a little bit less hair.
Okay.
So that if you're wearing it or not wearing it, it's not going to be a very big difference.
I'm gonna shake my head. Oh, wow.
A little bit more hair. This is a genius design because what they've done is it's thinner in the front, so it's not too heavy right by your face. And then in the back, it gives you a little bit more density to play with, layer, curl, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
So it's not a huge difference. Half gray. So this one's a little bit longer.
Yeah. And you can do a ponytail.
You can do a ponytail.
Holy cow. My ponytail is this thick.
You can do a pony. Do you want me to put it in a pony for you?
No, I can see it this way. I'm good. I can see it this way.
You see the vision?
I see more than the vision. When I do this, these do come down.
This is the topper that she picked. She's going to go home with it today. I took it in our service room here. I moved this part over so it's a side part, just like hers. We're trying to match it to her hair, and I straightened it out and got the ends just how she wanted. Customize it to her hair so it matches. Okay, are you ready to put it on?
I am.
You're beyond ready. This is it.
Okay.
You feel good?
I do.
Look at that smile.
I do. Good. It's just takes a minute to get used to the change.
Yes, it does.
But if I had me here and this here, I wouldn't even, we're out of here.